I also want you to understand that there is a statute of limitations to be aware of when it comes to filing amended returns. So if you, for example, missed a big tax credit, let's say you bought an electric vehicle the first year that the new EV or CV credits started and you didn't realize and you didn't put it on your tax return and you want to get that money, you have to file the amended return within a certain statute of limitations in order to get money back. So you can file an amended return to fix a mistake at any time for any year. But if you want to receive money back that you are owed from that amendment, you have to meet the statute of limitations. Here it is. I'm just going to quote the IRS here. Okay. Quote, for a credit or refund, you must file Form 1040X within 3 years, including extensions, after the date you filed your original return, or within 2 years after the date you paid the tax, whichever is later. Okay, so 2 to 3 years is your limit to get money back from the IRS.